Let's talk about some of the essential things that you are going to need to get into YouTube or to get into video streaming or recording, whatever your thing is. How can we do that under 101 bucks? Well, I'm going to let you know. Now I'm going to give you my review on a couple of these items, and one of them is the Smart XE 3-axis gimbal. Check it out. This Smart XE phone gimbal 3-axis stabilizer with a focus wheel is awesome. I wish I had known about this sooner. You can get this for about $51 on Amazon, and it gets a 4.2 stars out of 3,500 ratings. This stabilizer, it has a little tripod. You can put it right on a table, record from that way, but this is a great product, and it does work with hand commands too. It's face tracking, it's body tracking, and it works with hand commands.
And let the phone be your photographer. Tap the icon to open Smart Photo. Click on the face. The gimbal automatically follows the target. Frame the object. The gimbal can automatically follow the object. Finish shooting easily.
If you read the instructions, it shows you if you make certain signals with your hands, this being a primary one of them, it'll automatically start picking up your face, and this gimbal will track you wherever you move in the room. And I came across this, so this is good. It's going to have that feature. Let me show you here as I take it out of the box. Taking this out of the box. And as soon as you pick it up, you can feel the weight of this thing. You can feel the structure of it is a good, solid construction. Nothing cheap about it at all. That was one of the things I was concerned about. Was it going to be, you know, this lightweight, cheap plastic? I don't get that feeling at all. It's solid. It feels really good in the hand. This little tripod right here. Screws into the bottom. Got this little mini tripod right here. Screws right into the bottom. You can carry, you can walk and talk with it. Gives you a little bit of an extension, but if you wanted to put it right up on your table and record from there, do a little podcast kind of recording cast, like you can do that as well. Turn this on, this whole thing right here, you got the phone in it, it'll automatically hook up, and then if you wanted to start tracking your face, this right here will spin and accordingly, and it'll keep it level as well and keep tracking you. It'll track your body or track your face. Again, amazing piece of equipment. You can feel the quality in it as soon as you grab it and take it out of the box. If you need to, and if you wanted to, you could purchase an extension pole or an extension tripod. Screws into the bottom of this here, and you can set it up as a 5'7" stand, or use that pole as an extension, as like a selfie stick. You can get this on Amazon for $51.99. I believe the company's name is called AOCHUAN. I'll put that name on the screen. I'm sure I butchered it, but all you need to know is that it's the Smart XE 3-axis phone gimbal. You're going to need a light, which I found myself needing. You know, you're going to find yourself in different environments, and this I'm recommending because if you wanted to get into this inexpensively, and you wanted to walk and talk, and you wanted to do outdoor recordings or random places, or you wanted to be mobile with your gimbal, you're going to need a light. So this next one here is it's a magnet fill light, and it works with your Smart XE phone gimbal. See that? All right. Basically what that is it's this little light right here, and it works with a magnet, and it goes right on top of your gimbal magnetically, clips right on there. So you have your phone here. Your phone will go right there, and this will be the light. And you get 7 different color light modes. You get blue, red, green, so on, and about 3 different illuminations levels. And let me just turn this on so you can see where we're at. That's the light right there, and you can adjust the brightness to different levels of brightness, and you can change the color if you wanted to do a red or a blue. Change the ambiance, you can do that. This is $24.99 on Amazon. And I think if you're going to get in it, you want to do it inexpensively, this is going to be a top-notch one to get. However, this is most important. It's going to be a microphone. All right, I'm just starting out in this thing, and there's a few things that I've learned, and this is going to be one of the key things. Your phone isn't always the best microphone. This here is called a ZOPPLM, or ZOPPLM. I'll put that name in the notes for you around the screen. It's a wireless microphone. It comes with a 2-pack, and it's 2-in-1 noise reduction lapel mic. It has a plug-in receiver with 1-touch recording, battery indicator on it, and it also has about a 16-hour battery life. And I guess there's been a lot of reviews on it. I've only used it, I'm using it right now, but I've only used it a couple times. I don't know what the range is, but a lot of the reviews say it's got an amazing range. I'm going to say we'll start off with about 50 feet. I don't know, it's probably more than that. But it also has these cool items here for noise reduction. You got this little styrofoam cap that goes on it, and you also, for a windbreak, you also have this little fuzzy piece that goes on the microphone. If you're out and it's very windy, you could actually do some recording and cut out some of that wind noise if you're out in the wind. I'm using the microphone right now, and I think if you wanted to get into the market of streaming, recording, whatever it is, you definitely got to do the microphone. So again, you're going to get a 2-pack on that. You can pick this up right now for $24.99 on Amazon. So between the 3 items we just talked about, you're in it at about $101. And then you can get out there, you can get rocking, and you're going to have some professional videos. I hope you found it useful. And if you liked it, please like and subscribe. And don't forget, enjoy your journey along the way. See you next time.